Over the last year, I've worked with lots of different businesses in the e-com space, so big supermarkets, online fashion retailers, physical stores, startup, enterprise, multi-brand, mono-brand, so a whole raft of different businesses. But actually there's 4 key themes they all keep asking us about. So really I thought it'd be quite interesting to explore those, look at some data around them, and those are like how to save costs, so cost saving within technology and associated areas. Loyalty programs, because they're all the rage at the moment. Everyone's implementing loyalty programs, updating loyalty programs. MINDERA is doing a lot of work in that space. Also looking at in-store tech as well, so actually what trends are we seeing with implementation of in-store tech, and which ones are working particularly well, and how does AI fit into all of it. And one of the things that struck me as I've been having these conversations is how interrelated they all are. So people are introducing AI to save costs, they're introducing AI into their loyalty programs, and AI is playing a key part in in-store tech. And then obviously loyalty is there to save money on marketing, so if you're instead of paying to acquire customers all the time, actually you can introduce a loyalty program and therefore you can retain your customers. So there's this really interesting interrelationship between cost saving, loyalty, in-store tech and AI.